ready to ditch boring backgrounds and weave some digital magic. Today, we're diving into Adobe Photoshop to craft our very own custom plaid patterns in just a few steps. First, create a new document. Go to File, Greater than New, and set your width and height to 500 pixels. With a white background, this square will be the base of our tileable pattern. Select the rectangular marquee tool. We'll use this to draw our stripes. Make sure your foreground color set to the colored you want for your first stripe. Draw a thin, horizontal rectangle across the top of your document. This will be one of your stripes. Don't worry about precise placement just yet. Grab the paint bucket tool and click inside the selection to fill it with your chosen color. Repeat the process, drawing another rectangle below the first, and filling it with a different color. For variety, create at least 3 or 4 horizontal stripes with varying widths and colors. Experiment here. Now, let's do the same vertically. Draw vertical rectangles, filling them with colors to create intersecting stripes. This will really start to give you a sense of the plaid. Keep adding stripes until your square is filled with a design you like. Try different widths and colors to achieve different plaid effects. Once you're happy with your design, go to Edit, Greater than, Define Pattern. Give your pattern a name you'll remember. Now, open a new, larger document. Go to Edit, Greater than, Fill, and in the Contents drop-down, select Pattern. Choose the plaid pattern you just created. Click OK, and watch your custom plaid fill the entire canvas. You can use your plaid on clothing, backgrounds, or whatever you want. Experiment and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.